say your name, what town you live in,
Okay.
and tell us what's going on right now.
Okay, my name is Mozella Collins. I live in Newark, New Jersey, in NCC. I'm 72 years old, and I've been coming to the science, I call y'all the veggie group, the healthy group. For this is would be my 4th visit here. I was referred through Miss Artist through NCC because she said I would be good because I'm into a lot of herbs and diet, and everything you guys have given me is all healthy, and I'm able to use it in my cooking, in salads, in my juice, and then I juice every day, and I'm just so grateful for you guys. It's 20 weeks. I'm gonna try to make all 20.
So
20 weeks.
So thank you. And now it's this program that you're in costs $395, but it was a gentleman who said he wanted to pay $395 for this program, and he wanted to donate it to someone.
Wow.
And that's how you got the donation of his.
I thank him for the donation because everything you guys are giving us is worth more than $395. My health is worth more than that. So you're helping me to continue to be healthy. So thank you to the donor for the $395. I and my family, the Collins, the Way, the Warren, which is my grandbabies, we really appreciate it. Nothing that you give me each week go to waste. I utilize all of it, everything. It's all that I can't look, I look it up on this. Come on, Grandma, let's Google it. See what this vegetable they're giving you today. And that's what we do every day when I leave here, you know. So thank you to the donor, thank you to you guys, and just putting in your time out here when it's hotter than it is today. I think it was 90, humidity was very high 2 or 3 weeks ago, and you guys was here on time. You know me in church on Saturday, but you text me or you call me and I say, yes, I'm on my way. I wouldn't miss it for nothing. 20 weeks, I would try to be here every 20 weeks. Thank you, I will.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too.